drastic, right?
For sure.
Tina told me that I don't know how to manage my hair at this height. That I need to trim. And honestly, I can't remember a time in my life when Afro and Afro pick could have been used to comb my hair, because my hair just does not normally get to this height. And I know those at the back are laughing like, Paul, your hair is not even anywhere. For me, this is like super high hair. So by the end of this vlog, my hair won't be looking like this. And you may be surprised as to what it turns out to be. Actually, for years, when I was in high school, I had a low self-esteem. That was probably my first problem. One day I took up on myself that I wanted to texturize my hair. So on the box, you know, it make the man them look nice, curly, you know, hair and all. I was like, yo, I need that in my life. So one day in the week, let's say it's a Tuesday, I went to school with regular black people here. The next day, I went to school and I was like, oh crap, this does not look like the box. My hair was very thin from the products and all that, and I was like, oh gosh, what did I do? Oh, I have one more story. When I was in sixth form, I remember hearing some of my friends. I heard some of my friends talking. One of them that had like coolish, Indianish, Chinese mix. Same here, pretty. So I heard him talking to him friends one day and saying, them ask, how you get your hair like this? And him say, I'm just leaving the conditioner. I'm just leaving conditioner. And I was like, okay. I heard that must be a sign I need to try this. So of course, I go home in the shower, shampoo my hair, and I leave in the conditioner. I leave in the conditioner, right? In my hair for a good while. Good while. And of course I come out and nothing really changed. Honestly, this is a true story. Honestly, it's since I have these girls now. One day Tina asked me to buy some hair products for them. And we normally use Cantu. So she said, buy the Cantu leave-in conditioner. Get it? I thought when the guy was telling his friend, he was like, yeah man, I just leave in conditioner, you know, probably, you know, Jamaican English, Jamaican broken talking. I just leave in conditioner. But I thought he left in the conditioner in the shower, but really and truly is a product named leave-in conditioner that, you know, like
No rinse. You look like a Marine, babe. My husband's in the army. Oh gosh. Whoa.
well, it can't undo.
I'm not saying it's a bad thing. It just looks different.
It's drastic, right?
For sure. Turn around a bit. Let me see the side. Okay, the side looks nice. You could make him put in a little, you know, like a line or something, like a style, like a star, or you know.
But the children recognize me.
Well, that's a good thing. Let me see your beard. What did he do? Nice. That's nice and neat. That's
Overall,
nice.
what's the score to 10?
Out of 10, I give it an 8 because
Okay.
my personal favorite is the
Low-cut.
all-in-one low cut. You know, it's super sleek, super sexy. I've always.
You get used to this.
Yeah, I remember this. You kind of had this haircut before we had Leila and Zahra. For a little while, you were growing it.
Tried it.
I'm looking forward
To the journey,
to the evolution of this. So did he tell you guys why he wants to grow his hair? His fear is that, you know, as he grows older, he will eventually start to lose the hair, starting with the receding hairline and all of that. And he wants to optimize and maximize a full head of hair before he starts to lose it.
Yes.
And I don't blame him. Enjoy it while you have it.
Hi, Edie. Edie, what do you think of Daddy's haircut? What do you think of Daddy's haircut? You like it? No. All right, let me hear from Ava. Ava, what do you think of Daddy's haircut? Ava, what do you think of Daddy's haircut? What do you think of Daddy's haircut, baby? Just eating a car, okay. Let me hear it.
You look like
Say it,
like
say
how
it.
Steve Harvey looked when he had hair.
Like when Steve Harvey looked when he had hair?
That's how you look.
Oh,
That's how
okay.
you look.
Hey, what should I look like in the Navy?
Yeah, kinda. It's like in the army.
Oh boy. So it's a pass? It will grow on you, it will grow on you, that's all. It will grow on you.
But it really does look like in the Navy. The thing is, it doesn't just come like this. It's kind of like a curve and then kind of like a pop.
Alright, bye. Say hi. Say hi.
So I need to vlog this, right? Paul, why do you look like your children's 15-year-old brother? Or maybe 17-year-old brother.
That's an adult. You need a case.
17 is not an adult in any case. Ava, Edie,
What you have to say? What you have to say
why
about
does
this?
Daddy look like your sibling?
They're busy playing with their shadow. Dada. Yes, I still look like your dada, right? I asked Eden if she like my haircut and she did this.
Listen, whenever Edie answer like that, you know,
She know what
she's talking about now.
Yeah, I feel so too.
Edie don't like that is new do. Ava, what
Come
about
on,
you?
it will grow on you guys.
Yeah.
And pretty soon I'll be looking
when you came through
80.
the door, you know, I thought you were giving me the Bart Simpson profile.
Well, Hannah said Steve Harvey, you can say Bart Simpson. Neighborhood, what do you think?
Edie, tell me, what are your thoughts? Eh? Well, let's
will
see.
grow on you.
Let's see how this one evolves.
It's a no for you, right?
It's a wait and see for me.
Alright, wait and see. I'm going to do the styling and rub up with the sponge, and I'll do an outside.
You're gonna use your Ettenio products. You're
Yes,
gonna
I'm
use
going
your
to use my
Ettenio
Ettenio
shampoo,
and
conditioner, and leave-in treatment.
Then is the leave-in treatment in the morning
Steps
and
1, 2, and 3.
and do the sponge thing that these young people do nowadays.
All right, that's enough of that. I said that's enough of that. Stop it.
Mommy getting jealous. Ah. Ah. Ah.
Hi neighbors, so it is wash day in the Reed household, and by wash day I mean wash day for me, Leila and Zahra. You guys ready to wash your hair?
Yes.
Ready to wash your hair?
Yes.
So what's different about today is that we have special products that we get to try. And I'm so excited about this because these are indigenous Jamaican hair care products that me never did know was Jamaican. I see them in the pharmacy and in the beauty supply store all the time. And it wasn't until a few months ago a neighbor saw a, kind of get ready with me video that I had done. A little thing just to show how crazy busy it is to get ready and just, look presentable. And I was using some Cantu hair products because that's what I usually use for myself and the girls. And she said, but why are you using foreign products when we have products right here in Jamaica, made in Jamaica, that is just as good, if not better? And I thought, what products are those? And she said, Ettenio. Oh, no, about Ettenio? Now, if y'all have had experience with Ettenio, we'd love to hear about it, but this is going to be our experience. We're trying these products for the very first time. Have never tried them before. Would love to see how they work on my texture hair. We have 2 different hair texture, curl pattern, everything. So I want to see how the product, or products rather, work for me and for them. So the products we got are from the Repair and Growth line. There is a shampoo, a conditioner, and a leave-in treatment, and it's labeled 1, 2, and 3. And what I love about these guys, first and foremost, what I love, which is very important when I'm buying a product, is how it smells. These smell minty fresh. They smell clean. This one is called Cocolicious. This is the conditioner, and it's have that kind of coconutty smell that smells so exotic, which I love. And then there is this one, the leave-in treatment, which is very important because that's the one that's staying in the hair. That smells minty fresh. It smells like spearmint. I love the way these things smell. So I'm very excited. We're gonna detangle the hair, and then we're gonna do the shampoo, conditioner, put in the leave-in treatment and the moisturizer, and see how they work. It's nice and sunny now. Now we're putting in some conditioner. Surprisingly, this shampoo was not very thick. It didn't coat the hair in that nice thick, lather like I'm used to, but the hair feels soft. This is the leave-in conditioner. Rub, rub, rub. And I'm the Shea Moisturizer now, the daily moisturizer.
Nice curly touch. Nice curly touch, right? You like your hairstyle?
Yeah.
Alright, time to go. Let's go!
Let's go.
We got some beautiful curls, nice, soft, moisturized, and a decent amount of hold without being crunchy or or dry. So kudos to them for that. All right, so I have already shampooed, conditioned my hair. Now, what I didn't do with Leila and Zahra's hair, which was actually on the instruction on the back of the conditioner, is to leave it in the hair for 10 to 15 minutes. You sit under a dryer with a plastic cap like this, but that's for, I guess, deep conditioning. I'm actually doing a bit of deep conditioning to my hair. I have no dryer. So I've just had the cap on now for the last maybe 20 minutes. So I'm gonna rinse out the conditioner now, and then I'm gonna put in some of this leave-in treatment, and then I am going to apply a sealant to my hair. And the sealant that I'll be using is the Ettenio Macadamia Deluxe Hair Butter, and that should top off everything. So I'm gonna apply some of this. You know, I actually gave my hair a cut, a trim, put in some layers, a little bang for this season, you know. Work that through. So this is me. This is the final product, all done. I had to do a little improvisation because I was planning to wear the bangs out, but I realized that I cut the bangs a little bit too short, so I'm waiting for them to grow out before I show you that style. But I'm very satisfied with this product. Ettenio, quality. You have a customer. You have a new customer. I guarantee. I love how it came out in Leila and Zahra's hair. I love how it came out in my hair. I had doubts that the product was going to be too thick, which is a problem I've had with other brands. But this one, it even as luxurious and luxuriant as it felt, you know, as nice as it as nicely as it coated my hair, it was not oily, which was brilliant, I found, for this product. So Leila and Zahra's hair, it still felt nice and moisturized without being crunchy, without being stiff, without a lot of product, you know, being left back in their hair after I pulled out that twist out. So in my own hair, the macadamia butter, it felt a little sticky going in that first application, but when it dried, it was super soft, super touchable, super shiny. I did not have a problem with it at all. So I'm very interested to try the mango shea butter because I love how that came out in Leila and Zahra's hair. So Ettenio, thank you very much for the product samples. I definitely endorse your product. And neighborhood, try it. If you're looking for a good quality product for curly hair, this is absolutely a win. Babe, you have anything to say? We'll have to try some of these products on you. Ettenio has a kids line. They have, I believe, a men's line. I see them on Instagram with their beard oil recently. So yeah, who knows, honey? We'll have to try that.
Can these dry bones live?
We'll have to see about that and pray for a miracle.
Make a beard where there is no beard. Neighbors, can you believe that these people don't like my hair? I come home and my own family, my own flesh and blood rejecting me. They don't like my hair. Tina talking, I look like Bart Simpson with the ears out here and and then Hannah now said I look like Steve Harvey when he was young, when he had hair. But then they go and tell me that I look like 17 years old and I look like a high school and everything there. I'm a big man, you know. And a big. Why you think neighborhood be nice? You know what? Just talk your mind. I can handle it. So let me know what you think in the comments. But I'm going to look for some other options for my hair because I want to do something to my hair. Don't want to have the same, you know, boring look. So let me try to find an app I can. Remember what we did for the glasses for Tina? See if I can find an app that can, you know, put on some hair on my face and see what I would look like. Alright, so oh boy. Next, okay. Oh boy. What really going on there? Hold on there. Alright, just pause right here. Let me just think. Because it's bare white people hairstyle this not gonna work, Paul. Go back a little. No, oh gosh, no, what I would I do? All this hairstyle, no, this is enough texture. It look like I'd have a cream my hair. No, sir. Change the color to black. You know what? I'm gonna look on some beard because I've always wanted to have a beard, but I just never. It's not working out as yet. Not bad. Not bad, but not quite me. Not quite Paul. These are black people beards for sure, and I like it. Hulk Hogan. No Hulk Hogan style. This is good, but the middle just kind of too blank. Where's everything in the middle? Just, But the sides are, it's kind of Wolverine-ish. This is like a police inspector. This no bad. I think I really like this. I really like this. This really look good. Wow. Turn to the side. The other side. This is impressive. Send a couple pics and send to Tina. Really impressive. This one. I wonder if Ettenio has any beard oil for men. Hitler. Hey. Hey, young lady. Come on. I see you noticing me. Come over here. No, this up have a vibe. I wonder if Ettenio can help me with a beard girl. Alright, all my hair needs is some styling. And I'm going to admit I'm getting a kind of Will Smith in Fresh Prince of Bel-Air kind of vibe with this hair. So what I'm going to do is use the same products that Tina used with herself and Leila and Zahra. I'm going to wash and condition my hair with Ettenio products. So I'm going to use their shampoo and the conditioner. And then tomorrow now, because it's actually really late at night right now, so I'm going to use the leave-in conditioner tomorrow, which is this one. Actually, leave-in conditioner, now that I know what that is. And I'm going to use it to style my hair. Because I actually bought this as well. It's one of these sponges that these young people use nowadays. It's make them hair look cool. I don't have a clue how to use it, so I'm going to watch some YouTube videos tonight to learn how to use this sponge. Alright, so here it goes with the transformation. So I have my Ettenio product. This is the leave-in conditioner. And a sponge here. So, ready? Alright, so neighbors, that's the story. This is the new do. Big up to Ettenio, really though. This is not a paid advertisement. This is just us genuinely trying the product and genuinely liking it. I am pleased because in addition to my new cut, I could get to style it with their product as well, and I really like it. Tina loves it, children love it, and Ettenio, big up. So neighbors, as usual, it's been good, and we'll see you in the next vlog. So big up from me and the host. All right, take care.